Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade eggnog waffles. Start with 284 grams of all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl. Add in 28 grams of cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of ground vanilla bean, and quarter teaspoon of cloves and nutmeg. Whisk together to combine the dry ingredients. Next, we're going to add 226 grams of salted butter into a small pot and put over low heat. Melt the butter completely. Once the butter is melted, then add to the mixing bowl with the flour. Next, add in 1.5 cups of eggnog and 4 large eggs. Whisk together until you have a smooth batter. Preheat your waffle iron to a medium setting. I use between setting 3 and 4 on my waffle iron. Add 1/4 cup to half a cup of batter into the hot waffle iron. You can do more or less depending on how big your iron is or how big you want to make the waffles. Cook until they are golden brown. Continue cooking waffles until all the batter is gone. Serve the hot waffles with butter, maple syrup, and your favorite waffle toppings. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more holiday recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.